Hi there, welcome to Learn with Teja. This video gives you the complete outlook of Python. The main topics in Python are data types, operators, control flow, functions, file handling, exception handling, object-oriented programming, and modules and packages. Let's first start with data types. A data type tells what kind of data a value represents. The built-in data types in Python are numbers, which can be integers, floating point numbers, that is numbers with a decimal point, or complex numbers. Boolean, which can be either true or false. Sequence, which is an ordered collection. A sequence can be a string, list, or tuple. Dictionary, which is a collection of key-value pairs. And a set, which is a collection of elements that are unique. Before discussing about operators, let's first see what is a variable. In Python, a variable is a name that refers to a memory location where a value can be stored. Operators. An operator is a symbol that performs an operation. The various operators in Python are arithmetic operators, which perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, etc. Comparison operator, which compares two values like less than, greater than, etc. Logical operators, which are used on Boolean expressions. Assignment operators, which assigns a value to a variable, and some other operators like bitwise operator, membership operator, and identity operator. Control flow. Control flow is the order in which the program is executed. Python has three types of control structures: sequential, selection, and repetition. Functions. A function is a group of statements that perform a specific task. Functions help break our code into smaller parts and make it more organized and reusable. File handling. File handling is used to operate on files, that is, read some data from a file or write some data into a file. Exception handling. During the program execution, some problems may occur that stop the execution. These problems are called exceptions, and dealing with these exceptions is known as exception handling. Object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is a way of programming that relies on the concept of classes and objects. Let us understand class and objects with an example. Consider a house. To build a house, we need a sketch of the house. This sketch contains all the details about the floor, doors, windows, etc. Here, the sketch is a class and the house is an object. Now let's discuss about modules and packages. When you are dealing with large projects, it is very difficult to maintain it in a single file. So instead of writing it in a single file, we divide it into smaller files. These files are known as modules, and all the files are collectively known as a package.